Hello, this is Hexy the Grouch, and today we are going to take a look at the Tecsee Ca Phe Sua switches made for Charue design. I hope I did not mangle that pronunciation. The name Ca Phe Sua refers to a Vietnamese-style iced coffee. Like in previous episodes, we are going to use the Bakeneko 60 as our baseline configuration. I also included the packaging that the switches come in because I thought it was actually pretty nice, and they even include a little recipe on the back in case you want to make it yourself at home. These come in packs of 36. The only foam used in this stock configuration is the Stupidfish foam that is located between the plate and PCB. Full details of my audio setup and the board configuration can be seen in the comments below. I will try to perform the same test pattern for 5 different keycap sets. Like last time, each run will focus on the letters. The Tecsee Ca Phe Sua is a linear switch, and like the Cardinals, switch specification details are limited, and what I know has been written down on the card below. The switch does feature a slightly longer than average uncompressed spring at 22 millimeters in length. Bottom out is at 3.5 millimeters instead of the typical 4 millimeter travel. If anyone can help fill in some specifics about the switch, I will update as information comes in. Conclusion. The switch sound is good and is a little muted upon bottom out, but it still feels very solid during my time just going through these tests. If you put the switch up to your ear, you can hear a faint scratch to it, but again, it does not seem practical because in the board, I could not detect any issues in terms of unwanted noises or scratch. In terms of specifications, I wish there was more to give. Again, this is the second Tecsee switch I have collected data on where performance specifications are sparse. I do not like this pattern at all. A data sheet should exist, and it would be good practice for the manufacturer to provide that to vendors so that consumers can make informed choices. If more information becomes available, I'll update the description. I am unsure on if these switches will become available again. They were apparently as a group buy from Charue Design, and it is unknown at this time if they will be restocked. Installation and removal of keycaps seems good. No excessive grip or loose tolerances when trying to install or remove keycaps through my tests. To be very clear, my thoughts and opinions are my own. Thanks for watching and keep on experimenting.